This is a final video to fix screen sharing and capture issues on Wayland-based desktops. And if you've been struggling with your apps not showing your screen or failing to record, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because Wayland handles screen access differently than older systems, which blocks some apps from capturing or sharing windows the usual way. You might have tried other tutorials online, but they're often long, confusing, or full of commands that don't work for everyone. On Rexish, we have a simple trick that makes screen sharing and recording work instantly without complicated tweaks. All you need is a small configuration change that lets your apps communicate with Wayland properly, giving you smooth sharing and capture without errors. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to do it, comment below and we'll guide you through every click.